My name is Tian Steyn. We as KlipKraal Landgoed family farm with crops, broiler chickens, cattle and sheep. The 318G will mainly be used in the chicken production side of the business, pushing and loading the chicken manure for material handling on the farm and around the farm. We can also use it on our construction site. The performance of the 318G is outstanding. It has a lot of power for pushing manure and breakout force when loading the manure. It helps with boosting productivity, better fuel consumption. Also has easy access for daily service and cleaning of the radiator. It's got a netto power of 3.6 kilowatt more than the other machines, and it's also got an operating capacity of 130 kilograms more than the other machines that we've got on the farm. We've got a very good relationship with our local John Deere dealer with excellent service and parts always available. John Deere is definitely a leader in agriculture and construction machinery. Parts availability and professional aftermarket service is part of our success on the farm. Yes, the John Deere 318G has earned its place here with us at KlipKraal Landgoed.